Xin chào các bạn, mình tên là Nguyễn Công Thiện. Hôm nay mình sẽ đại diện cho nhóm mình để demo về một phần mềm quản trị quan hệ khách hàng. Thì phần mềm mình muốn nói đến ở đây là phần mềm Azure CRM. Thì trước khi vào với cả giao diện thì chúng ta cần đăng ký một tài khoản. Ở đây thì mình đã đăng ký sẵn rồi. Đây là phần giao diện thì vào đây thì các bạn chỉ cần điền những cái thông tin của mình vào là được. Rồi ha, sau khi mà chúng ta đã hoàn thành cái phần đăng ký thì chúng ta sẽ tới với phần giao diện chính của cái thằng CRM này. Đây là giao diện chính. Thì ở đây trong cái phần mềm này sẽ chia ra thành ba cái phần lớn là sale, marketing và service. Thì đầu tiên là sale. Trong phần sale này chúng ta sẽ có một số cái hỗ trợ như các bạn đã nhìn ở đây ha. Và phần thứ hai là phần marketing. Thì ở đây nó cũng sẽ hỗ trợ chúng ta một số những cái công cụ để chúng ta có thể tiện quản lý được cái hoạt động marketing hơn. Và cuối cùng là chúng ta sẽ tới với phần service. Service ở đây thì nó cũng sẽ bao gồm những cái tác vụ để chúng ta có thể sử dụng nó một cách dễ dàng hơn.
Another video tutorial of Agile CRM. Today I'll be showing you how to add contacts to Agile. To add a new contact to Agile, click on New, select Contact, type in the fields, and save. To add new contacts from a CSV file, select this drop-down, select Import from CSV, select Upload CSV file, select Choose File, and upload. To finish uploading these contacts, you need to map the fields in your uploaded CSV file to the fields in Agile CRM. Once you've finished mapping, click on Import. Import will take a few minutes, and once it's complete, an email will appear to let you know that the import has been completed. To add contacts from a web form, select Admin Settings, select Integrations, and from any of these web forms that you like to create, you can add contacts directly. Say you'd like to build a form, click on Launch Form Builder, select Add Form, drag and drop the components, save form. From the source code, copy this code onto the website where the form has been added. And whenever a contact has been added to that particular form, the contact gets directly transferred to Agile. To add contacts from other data sync, select Preferences, Data Sync, and choose from any of these apps. Welcome to another video tutorial of Agile CRM. Today I'll be showing you how to add a custom field to Agile. Select Admin Settings from this drop-down. Select Custom Fields. There are 4 types of custom fields: contacts, companies, deals, and cases. Say you're adding a custom field for contacts. Type in the label, the type of field, whether it's a text field, a text area, a date field, a checkbox, a list, a number, or a formula. Type in the description, select whether it's required or searchable, and save changes. If you need to know how to fill in the custom fields that you've added, say you have added a custom field for a contact named Michael. Select the Edit drop-down. The custom fields will appear here. fill in the values, and update. Thank you for joining us today. That you would like to add the tag to. These are the existing tags to this particular contact. Select Add, type in the tag, select Add, and the tag will be added. If you like to delete, select the X next to the tag and delete. And that is how you add a tag. To add tags to multiple contacts, you can choose bulk actions. Select the contacts that you would like to add the tags to. Under bulk actions, select Add Tags, Add Tag, and the tag will be added. Filter to Agile, click on this drop-down menu, select Add Edit Filter, select Add Filter, type in the name, choose whether it's a contact or a company, add the conditions, and save. And that's how you add a filter. To use bulk actions, select the contacts or companies. As you select the contacts, bulk actions will appear. From the drop-down, select the bulk action, whether it's adding a tag, removing a tag, adding to campaign, starting a call campaign, sending an email, changing the owner, exporting contacts as CSV, or deleting. Say you'd like to add tags. Add tag, and the tag will be added. Thank you for joining. To use the online appointment scheduler, go to Preferences, click on Online Calendar. There are 4 tabs under Online Calendar: Calendar, Business Hours, Meeting Types, Advanced. On the Calendar tab, you can get your calendar link, preview your calendar, add the calendar to your website using web rules if desired. Many Agile CRM users choose to add the scheduling URL link to their email signature. Under Business Hours, you can set your business hours. By default, we have Monday to Friday. Click a day to turn it on or off. Under Meeting Types, the tab controls the options your contacts will have on your calendar. By default, they'll be able to schedule a 50-minute, a 30-minute, or a 60-minute call with you during your available business hours. If you don't want to display one of these meeting lengths, just leave the type blank and the slot will not show up on your calendar. The Advanced tab will let you add a buffer time to avoid surprise appointments.
Time. For example, if someone opens an email, increase their score, or send a different email. Let me show you how to set up a simple newsletter campaign. By the way, there are many templates to run your campaigns, but I will create a campaign here from scratch. The Visual Designer has elements on the left called nodes, which can be dragged and dropped to your campaign designer. Since I want an email to be sent out in this newsletter campaign, I will drop the email node and fill up the necessary from and subject. For HTML, you can either choose one of the default templates or create your own. Once saved, I will connect the email node to the Start button, and that's it. Your campaign is now ready to go out. There are 2 ways to add users to a campaign. I can select the contracts from the list and add them to the campaign, or create a trigger rule to initiate a campaign when certain things happen. For example, if a score reaches 100, I can send them an email to schedule a webinar. Now that you have seen how to create campaigns and run them using bulk actions and triggers, let me show you some advanced campaigns. I will select a cart abandonment template. The user is first sent an email. If the user adds the product to their cart but doesn't check out to buy the product, we then send an email, perhaps with a coupon. You can see how easy it is to set up campaigns. You have many nodes. Wait, if you want to wait for a specific time. Clicked, if the user has clicked a link in your email. Opened, if the email is opened. Tags, you can add tags or check if a tag is present to contact. Score, URL visited. Tweet, which sends a tweet automatically if someone opens your email or visits your site. And A/B testing. You have more nodes. Add task, deal, note, check, tags, transfer to a different campaign, check condition, where you can use your custom fields check, and set owner. You can use the JSON IO developer mode. There are more nodes. Contact, email, mobile, web, social, utilities,
Campaigns in Agile. Click on Campaigns. Select Add Campaign. These are the existing predefined templates that we have in Agile. Under Marketing Automation, we have Lead Scoring, Social Campaign, and A/B Test templates. Under SaaS, we have Sign Up Welcome, User Onboarding, and Trial Conversion. Under E-commerce, we have Cart Abandonment and Targeted Promo. Or you can start from scratch by creating a custom template. Click on Custom. These are the available nodes that we have. Drag and drop the Send Email node. Under the Info section, type in the from name, from email, and the to email, or leave it as it is if you're using a list. Type in the subject. This is the text version of the newsletter. Type in the text, HTML, copy the code, or select a template. Say I'd like to use this template. Load an editor. These are the fields I use to personalize the newsletter. Make the changes and save. Under Settings, I click on Track Clicks for email link clicks. I select the time zone, the day, and the time. The campaign will be sent on this particular day at this particular time. Click on Save. Join these two nodes. Name the campaign. And save campaign. If you like to send the newsletter manually, go to Contacts. Select the desired contacts. Bulk actions will appear. Select Add to Campaign. Select the campaign. Click on Add. If you'd like to send it automatically, you can use triggers. Click on Campaigns. Click on Add. Say you'd like to send a new user sign-up email. Click on Add. Say like add contact to a campaign as soon as the contact is created. Click on Go. Type in the name of the trigger and save. And the trigger will be added, and a new sign-up email will be sent whenever a contact is added.
For example, you can create a stream for your competitor's name or keyword in your industry. You can import the leads directly and add them to a campaign, or even send tweets periodically to engage your users. We have you covered. That's it. I'm hoping you enjoy your marketing with Agile, and please drop us an email if you need any help.
Area. Groups are used to organize your support tickets for your support group, your sales group, or your marketing group, or any other group that you would like to create. To create a group, click on the Add Group button, give the group a name, and then assign users to the group to ensure that they receive incoming tickets, and save the changes. The next step is you want to set up forwarding email. So you would copy this email here for this group, and you would set up a forwarding function in your email, such as if you use support@mydomain.com or sales support@yourdomain.com. And if you're using Gmail, for example, you would just click this add forwarding address and follow those steps. And that is the only thing you need to do to make sure that mail is going to the appropriate users for incoming mail. We hope this was helpful. Thank you. Or organize your labels based off perhaps service that you offer or a product group, etc. So for this, let's create this label. I'm calling it new product A, and save the changes. And then let's go create what is called a canned response. Canned response is a great way to quickly reply to tickets with a canned response. So click on the Add Canned Response button. I'm going to call this actually new product A response, and then type in the actual content of the response. And one of the things that you can actually use are merged tags, which will pre-populate some of the contact data. So for this example, let's pre-populate the requester name. So that will go back to the requester, and let's say here are our help articles for this product, or whatever the message you would like it to be. And then associate it with a label. So I'm going to associate it with the new product A label that I created earlier. So hit save. And then the next step is let's take a look at a ticket and address it. So let me just refresh this page and look at our tickets. So in the ticket area, you can actually filter by users, groups, you can filter by labels, due date, etc. So let me just go into this one ticket here, and to add a canned response, just click on the canned response, select the canned response, and you see it actually populates. And then to close or act on the ticket, you can send a reply, or you can also send a reply and actually close the ticket. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.